Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study JavaScript for beginners. Begin by grasping fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and operators. Then, move on to understanding control flow statements like if else and loops. Practice writing small functions to solidify your understanding. Utilize interactive online tutorials and documentation to reinforce your learning and explore examples. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your journey. Once you have the basics down, delve into more complex data structures like arrays and objects. Understand how to iterate through them using various loop types. A key step is learning DOM manipulation, which allows you to interact with web page elements. Regularly solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank will significantly improve your problem-solving skills and reinforce your knowledge. Next, explore asynchronous JavaScript, including promises and async/await, which are vital for handling operations like fetching data from APIs. Start building small, practical projects to apply what you've learned. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Consider collaborating with other learners on coding tasks or open-source projects. This not only deepens your understanding, but also exposes you to different coding styles and problem-solving approaches. Finally, make sure to utilize your browser's developer tools for debugging and inspecting your code. They are incredibly powerful. JavaScript is constantly evolving, so stay updated with new features and best practices by following blogs and communities. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastery. Also, for staying refreshed during your coding sessions, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep coding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.